drum transient shaper. It's a drum punch transient plugin. The plugin is now disabled, but not affecting the drums. Now we're going to move the attack to make the kick and the snare pop out of the mix, smashing hard. Take a close listen. As you listen, as we move the knobs, you can see that Drum Transient Shaper also has a drive knob, a punch knob, a dirt knob, and a sustain knob, making it a very unique piece of equipment and plugin for your arsenal. Take a close listen as we turn the plugin on and off and listen to how it affects the drums. You can make your drums hit hard or hit even softer. Now we will be turning up the drive and also using the gain knob to tone down the drums. Now we will be moving the sustain knob. Drum Punch Transient is the ultimate transient shaper plugin for your drums. Take a close listen.